What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be roasting some kids. Okay, we're gonna hit 100, so I might do ding dong. Fuck you, Michael. Okay, the kid I'm roasting is Michael. Oh, look at the fucking look. Hold on, fucking blurry, but it says 4. Nigga, please get off of YouTube. So I was roasting this other kid. This dude show up, he's gonna, I'm gonna protect your ass. No, he's not, bitch. You know what I'm gonna do? Roast this motherfucker. I'm not letting this pussy ass nigga bitch here. I'm not letting him through. Look at this fat ass boy. That's the kid I've been roasting. Right there. Ruben. That's the dude with the blue Nintendo thing. Yeah. I'll be roasting this dude. And this bitch ass fat ass boy came up. Right here. It says some. And it fell out. Do you know how much really reply are you, fucking dumbass? Bitch, you're a dumbass. You're fat ass, red ass, so. Okay. So I've been roasting his ass. And I said, and you're really low on your subscriber count. That's why you're not gonna get money because you're poor. All my other phones I lied. 100 with, I don't know what this is. I fucking suck. And that's this song. That's why you look like a rat. I'm gonna do some more. Okay. What should I do? Post in the comments right now. Should I roast this bitch? What should I say? Like, that's why you look like Home Depot, the girl, and fuck other people. Or a homeless man that never gonna get any money. Or fuck boy. Already did that.
Did I just mess up my game completely?
I know what to do. That's why you got a fucked up phone. Because your family can't afford a real phone. And you got one phone, I got 2 phones, bitch. Going so good. If you're new, subscribe, please. I wanna get some money. Nah. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'm so sorry. Like, when it's like summer break, I swear I will do Ding Dong Ditch. Because I can't do it because I have school. School sucks balls, thanks. Okay, I'll see you guys in another video. Peace.